Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the light switch in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a pair of flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new light switch. This light switch is located at the front of the control panel in the fresh food section. The switch operates the light inside the compartment. It turns the light on when the door opens and shuts it off when the door is closed. There are three reasons why the light switch should be replaced. If the light won't turn on when the door is open and you check the light bulb, if the light stays on with the door closed, or if the switch is physically broken. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove the door switch, we need to pry it out. I'm going to use one flat blade screwdriver to stick it in here, push it in, and pry this side out. I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to use the second flat blade screwdriver. Put it on this side and push in. There's a tab on the side. I'm going to push it in and pry the switch out. Very easy. Then I'm going to take it out this way and then pull it out. Hold by the wires and pull it out. It's not going to go far. We don't need it to go that far. And then using the flat blade screwdriver and remove the wires. This is the old light switch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. This is the new switch. We're going to install it this way. So this is the actuator level. It's going to be closing this way. Attach the wires. There's only two wires, so it's the order not important. Make sure they're all tight. Then we're going to go wires first. Put it in. And then push the switch in. That's all. Now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.